We got a YFZ350 Banshee 2005 in for full resto. Absolutely everything done on this. When the bike come into us, it was used heavily off-road. The theme the customer went with was OEM with a twist. Uprated suspension, carbon front bumper, chrome wheelie bar, braided brake lines, pipes and wheels. All the calipers are original, just restored. The same with the master cylinders. With the engine, we have rebored the barrels to the next oversized piston and put a brand new OEM head on. The customer was on a budget to begin with, went absolutely crazy towards the end. Final outcome, customer's got himself a good, reliable quad now.